Let's start. Best of luck.
If Elizabeth had taken the earlier flight, she in New York City by now. A. Would be. B. Would have been. C. Was. Pierre said he the concert tickets the day before. A. Bought. B. Had bought. C. Buys. James is very proud his sister's achievements. A. Of. B. For. C. About. Sophia told me she already finished her thesis. A. Has. B. Had. C. Was. One of the athletes chosen to represent the U.S. at the tournament. A. Were. B. Was. C. Have. Matteo said he never been to Rome before last summer. A. Has. B. Had. C. Was. If Robert worked harder in Los Angeles, he a senior position now. A. Would have had. B. Would have. C. Would have been. Sophia is capable managing a large team efficiently. A. For. B. To. C. Of. Either James or his friends responsible for organizing the event. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. Pierre mentioned that he to Paris again soon. A. Would travel. B. Was traveling. C. Is traveling. Elizabeth would have helped you if she about the problem. A. Knew. B. Had known. C. Knows. Matteo is interested in learning advanced photography. A. For. B. About. C. In. Each of the reports reviewed by the committee. A. Have been. B. Has been. C. Were. Sophia said she applying for a scholarship next semester. A. Was. B. Is. C. Will. If James hadn't missed the interview, he working in Houston today. A, would be. B, would have been. C, was. Pierre apologized for getting to reply to the email. A, on. B, for. C, about. Neither Elizabeth nor her colleagues planning to leave early. A, are. B, is. C, was. Mateo said he met the director before that day. A, has. B, had. C, have. If Robert had known about the deadline, he earlier. A, would submit. B, would have submitted. C, will submit. Sophia is afraid speaking in front of large crowds. A, of. B, from. C, at. The team, along with its manager, arriving in Los Angeles tonight. A, are. B, is. C, were. Pierre told us that he's traveling to Germany the following month. A, is. B, will be. C, was. If James hadn't lost his phone, he called you right away. A, would have. B, will have. C, would. Elizabeth insisted paying for everyone's meal. A, on. B, to. C, for. Either the coach or the players responsible for the delay. A, are. B, were. C, is. Mateo said he already sent the invitation. A, has. B, had. C, was. If Robert had studied architecture, he'd designing skyscrapers now. A, would have been. B, would be. C, was. Sophia congratulated him his recent success. A, for. B, on. C, about. Neither of the answers correct. A, are. B, were. C, is. Pierre said the project by the end of the week. A. Would finish. B. Will finish. C. Finishes. If James had followed the instructions, he made fewer mistakes. A. Would. B. Will. C. Would have. Elizabeth is responsible preparing the quarterly report. A. For. B. To. C. Of. One of the employees requested additional training. A. Has. B. Have. C. Are. Mateo told me he's seen the movie 3 times already. A. Has. B. Had. C. Was. If Robert were more confident, he'd perform much better. A. Will. B. Would. C. Would have. Sophia is tired doing the same routine every day. A. From. B. With. C. Of. Neither James nor his brothers attending the concert tonight. A. Was. B. Are. C. Is. Pierre mentioned that he to Italy before. A. Had gone. B. Has gone. C. Goes. If Elizabeth had known about the meeting, she attended it. A. Will have. B. Would have. C. Would. Mateo is known being a perfectionist at work. A. For. B. As. C. About. Either the director or the assistant's supposed to submit the report. A. Were. B. Is. C. Are. Sophia told us she's joining the team in Berlin next year. A. Was. B. Is. C. Will. If Robert hadn't ignored the warning signs, he avoided the accident. A. Would have. B. Will have. C. Would. Elizabeth is good solving complex problems. A. At. B. On. C, for. Neither the teacher nor the students ready for the test yet. A, are. B, were. C, is. Pierre said he to the museum with his friends the day before. A, had gone. B, has gone. C, goes. If James had taken the job offer, he living in Houston now. A, would be. B, would have been. C, was. Sophia succeeded finishing her project ahead of schedule. A, in. B, to. C, at. Either the cats or the dog been making noise all night. A, have. B, has. C, were. Mateo said he open his own design studio soon. A, would. B, will. C, is.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.